The next thing we're going to do is connect the electricity. So we're going to go from the RV, from this 30 amp connection to the host power right here. So we have this host box, and so what you want to make sure you do is that when you park into the spot, that your electricity and the host electric is on the same side. The electricity is on the driver's side of the RV, and so the electric and also your water connection next to it is always on the same side. And so with our RV and everybody else's RVs, the water and the electric are always on the same side of the unit. In this situation, they're on the driver's side. So let's go ahead. My electrical connections are connected or stored back here in this compartment. So since we are having a lot of different ways of camping, we have our electric cable, and we also have an extension. So you can go and connect almost 40 feet away from your power. So like if you're camping at somebody's home and you need to plug in, well, you can plug in at least about 40 feet from their house. So first thing we want to put in is our surge protector. So definitely we want to protect the electrics of the RV. So we're going to plug the surge protector in. Like I said, this is a 30 amp RV. So we have, at every campsite, you usually will have a 50 amp and a 30 amp connection. We have the 3-prong 30 amp. So we're going to plug in and we're going to flip on the 30 amp breakers. So from that, we know the power is good if we get 3 green lights. So 3 green lights is power is on, and this surge protector is totally protecting the unit. Let's say that you have a campsite that doesn't provide 30 amp. Maybe it's an older campsite and they have 50 amp only. Well, I have this adapter. The adapter would go into the 50 amp plug, and then you'd plug the surge protector into the 30 amp adapter. So we have that covered. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come in, we're going to connect the power. So this is the power in that's going to go from what everybody terms as shore power. So the campsite is termed shore power. So I plug in to the shore power, and then I come over to the RV. And like I said, if need be, I have the extension here that we could plug in and go to, but in most cases, you have enough cable if you're camping at an RV site. So notice this is a round head. The round head, I need to turn it, just angle it just a bit to the right till I get it in, and then I twist it. Notice now it's straight. And to make sure that it's waterproof, then we're going to screw in the electric to seal the electric cable and to make sure that it can't be pulled out accidentally. So we also have 110 cable. So if you want to put out, or you need any kind of 110 connection, you can go from your shore power, there's a 110 connector, or on the RV, on the passenger side, there's 2 110 receptacles that you can use if you need 110. So let's put up our cables. And if you're at an RV site that provides cable TV, my cable TV connection is here. The connector would be back at the power. I would close this and I would open this box, screw in for cable TV, then screw it into the shore power area that is labeled cable TV. Close it up, and that's it for the electric.